Welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on Business Information System. I'm Pavitra, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, in our video lecture series on Business Information System, we are being discussing about various interesting topics on Business Information System. Previously, we have been discussed about what is information system and and we have also discussed about how a business information system is used and how a business collects the information from from the various sources of an organization and utilize those data for an effective decision making, and how does this business information system support an organization to collect and gather the data at the same time to use those data more effectively and efficiently. We have discussed all these in our previous video, and added to that we have also discussed about the types of business information system. And today in this video we will be discussing about the rest of the type of business information system. Previously we have discussed the two types of information system, and now today we will be seeing the next two types. Starting up with today's video on types of business information system. Previously, we have discussed about the two types of business information system. One is TPS system, and next we have discussed about ERP system. So now, whereas the TPS system helped us to gather the day-to-day data information within the organization, such as regular day-to-day activities, purchase details, inventory details, supply sales details. So such a kind of a day-to-day business activities were gathered more easily. And secondly, in ERP system, we have discussed that ERP systems helps us to collaborate the work, helps us to coordinate the work as a single database management system. And now we will be discussing about the next two types of a business information system. One is business collaboration system and next one is management information system. Starting up with the business collaboration system, the business collaboration system is designed to improve communication and collaborations between the individuals and teams in the worker in the organization to make it more simple and easier. This kind of a collaborative systems helps the organization to improve the collaborative ability between the workers and helps the workers to work as a team and work as a collaboration to achieve the goals and objectives of the workers. So the best example for this kind of a business collaboration system would be that during our pandemic situations, despite of our location wherever we people, we have worked together as a team through various sources, collaborative sources such as video conferencing, document sharing, and various other software applications. So this would be a best example of business collaborative system that helps the organization to work with a collaboration and to work as a team despite of their location with these kinds of collaborative systems. So this business collaboration system are designed to improve communication and collaboration between the individuals, between the teams and the departments that work within an organization. So these system enables the employees to communicate, share their information and collaboratively perform their task without any disruptions despite of their location wherever they are. So the business collaboration system includes the instant messaging, video conferencing, document sharing, project management software, and various other software applications that we have been used. So as we discussed, the bestest example for the business collaboration system would be the work from home process, that remote work process that we have been followed during the pandemic period. So moving on to the management information system. The management information system collects and processes operational information from various sources of an organization and makes the managers or makes the employer to make a better decisions inside the organization. So the management information systems helps the organization to gather the data and make an effective decisions. So for example, let us assume that in an organization there would be various kinds of a department. So we need the data. Let us assume that I'm starting a new branch of my organization. In this case, I would be needed of various informations within my organization. I would need the details from my accounts team. I need the informations from the HR team. I need the informations from uh, the internal sources and various other peoples working inside the organization. So in this case, it is possible for me to collect the data individually from every team and picking up them. So it is not possible, and at the same time in an organization there we need to store various kinds of data, employee details, and we need to store the data of our purchase details, we need to store the data of our turnover details, we need to store any number of data. So uh, keeping every data separately would make it as more confusing and makes the process more tedious and difficult. So to solve these kinds of errors, management information systems helps us to collect and process those data more effectively and efficiently, and gives the organization those informations to make a better managerial decisions inside the organizations. So the management information systems collects and process operational information from different sources and provides the manager with information they need for making an appropriate decisions inside the organizations. So this system provides manager with an access to the data about sales, expenses, inventory levels, and various other key performance indicator in the forms of reports and statistics, and even analytical tool to make it easier to understand, so that this can be utilized in a more effective way to make a better strategic decision inside the organization. So that's it about today's video on types of business information system. So in our next video, we will be discussing about the rest of the two types of business information system. See you all in the next video. Thank you.